The actions depicted in this video are at the will of the participants. SoCalJetBoats.com does not condone reckless driving, driving while intoxicated, or breaking the law. SoCalJetBoats.com and any affiliates of this video are in no way responsible for any damage, injury, or death as a result of viewing this video. The staff at SoCalJetBoats.com would like to remind you to boat safe, boat smart, and ladies, bathing suit tops are always optional.
What up? How's everyone doing? You are now in the world I'm ruling. Take a minute to adjust for the wondrous clusterfuck of fun and enchantment. I promise you some generation next shit. Speak for the silent who are left with parallel levels in the dark place. Tricked all you niggas to a dark fate, and guided you all with a smile up in my face. It's the sun, cause it's us on the foreheads. Gently, gentle with the drugs, heavy with the love. My speeches on stage, rock moms from a club. Melodies and moon except on a literal 2-4 flights. Now we're off to Australia. I wanna see more of the world. There's more than just words, there's a facts from awareness.
This is our journey into the horizon. You can see past if it's real to you. We can meet on the other side, on the other side. Hey, this is our journey into the horizon. You can see past if it's real to you. And we can meet on the other side, on the other side.
What up? How's everyone feeling? I hope you understand what you're hearing. Take a minute to roll up for the wondrous clusterfuck of darkness and evil. I will pay the yin and the yang for you. In my jeans of the all for the lover skinnies. Upgraded, faded it to the T. Work hard, making sure I don't become a memory. Hard to press on when the memories remember me. And they always find a perfect moment. High speed, my momentum won't slow. I'm not lost in the wind. I've lost all my friends. Maybe they were never meant to be acquainted. Money seems to make everything tainted. Everybody mad cause they stuck where I knew them last. Took what I wanted and I did it all blended. Oh, oh.
This is